Hello! In front of me I've got Vivo Y72. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. Firstly, let's open Google Pay and tap this blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now let's focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. To add loyalty card, select Shop, scan your card or enter details manually. Then let's go to gift card, pretty similar to loyalty. Select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance and your notes, then tap Save. And the last thing is public transport. Select public transport, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the form, tap Select and Buy. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.